Everybody struggles with what to get mom for Mother's Day. And of course, all moms say the same thing. You don't have to get me anything. Right. But of course, we're still going to get them a gift.
Oh, Daryn, that is so true. Joining us is Alison, Bruhn, and Delia Folk, the co-founders of The Style That Binds Us. You know, you guys, you brought a lot of stuff here, and the mother and daughter team will explain why. How are you guys?
Thank you. We've worked really hard to bring y'all some special gifts.
Yeah, let's
start. The first one today is by a company called Box Fox, and this one is called Know Your Roots, which is perfect for a mom who gardens. They have a bag of lavender seeds, some gardening tools, hand cream, all this kind of stuff.
Right.
But you can also build your own, and they ship them anywhere. So that's really exciting.
That's awesome.
Okay, now we're going to think about you're treating your mother to a day at the beach, or maybe she's going to be by the pool. So, of course, she needs a book read.
Right, that's right.
That's so seamless there.
Thank you.
And so this book is called Ageless Beauty, the French Way. It is by Clémence von Muffling, and her mother and grandmother were both beauty editors at French Vogue.
Whoa.
And she has her own beauty website called Beauty and Wellbeing.
Okay.
We have done a YouTube interview with her and podcast as well, so make sure to check that out to learn more. But everyone wonders, how do French women have that natural elegance?
Yes.
Well, the answer is in this
book, right?
and we have both read it, so we can attest to that.
You guys look more elegant than Eraldo.
Clearly
there's something in the book.
Hands down.
Hands down.
And these statement pieces are by Eric Javitt. So this is hat and bag. The hats are from the Squishy collection. They have UPF 50, so you'll be protecting her from the sun.
Wow.
And he is all about down-to-earth glamour, which we love. So do you want to
try it on?
Yes,
How
please.
glamorous I am.
You know you got to put it on, baby. Woo! Look at
babe.
that.
Oh,
Nice.
love.
These lights are finally not. Can I do the rest like this? I feel
Absolutely.
This is awesome. So light and easy and comfortable.
Yes.
And these shoes are by Lake, and so it was started by siblings. They have Greek heritage, and so they wanted to remake the classic Greek sandal.
That's right.
Yes, and
Simple.
so
Part Greek, so I completely
fabulous.
understand. That's right.
And they are exceptionally well made, handcrafted by artisans. So we're obsessed with them. They have rubber soles, and they also have an arch, so they're going to be super comfortable.
Right?
Great.
Frederick Furcade, let's talk about that, right?
Okay, great. And before we talk about Frederick, real quick, we'll talk about sunscreen for the beach.
Oh, yes.
So you have your book read, you have your fabulous sandals,
We got the
to
hat.
go to and from the beach, and the hats and the beach bag. And you can't forget your sunscreen.
That's
This is Super Goop, which is getting all these awards. It's the sunscreen to have. It's super cool. They have things like extra moisturizers in them, or this one, this is my favorite. It's called Glow Stick. And you can put it on areas like your cheekbones, and it gives you a glow while you're also sun tanning.
Is it a spray and a lotion?
Yeah, and this is actually a mousse.
Okay.
So they're doing all kinds of cool stuff.
kinds of
Every
things, right?
time they come up with all new things.
Wow.
And then we'll move to Bastide and Frederick Furcade, the celebrity hairstylist. He and his wife, Sharon, are dear, dear people, and they bought this brand. It's a 25-year-old brand from Aix-en-Provence in France, and that is where Frederick grew up. So the products have always been and still are made in Aix-en-Provence. They are made with locally sourced ingredients, so everything's all natural. It smells lovely. The oil that you see on the top, it smells like oranges. This particular one, you just spray it on, rub it on, and go. I mean, fast and efficient and totally pampering.
So the French know how to do it better than
They
us.
really,
Is that what you're
really
saying?
do. Yeah, so after
I figured.
Right.
We've got to talk about these. They're just
Yeah.
amazing
Colorful
looking.
and beautiful.
Colorful and beautiful.
Yeah.
So whoever wants to
Yes.
talk about them?
So now it's time for a night out on the town. We're
Yeah.
going out for dinner with your Jeffrey Levinson handbag. Now his experience is in finance, science, and luxury cars. So all of
I
that
could tell.
created these products. And so they have all sorts of colors. As you can see here, different sizes depending on the size of your phone, for example. And when your phone is inside, it can still receive a signal,
How
which
about
is
that?
so important. Yes, and we also did a YouTube and podcast interview with him. So learn more about him on our channel.
The finish is so
Does
lovely.
it recharge your phone too? That's a nice idea, right?
Yeah, that would be great. That's probably next.
It's probably
That's
next,
it.
right?
Yes, yes.
2.0.
Good idea, right?
Yeah.
we are obsessed with sweets.
Of
and
course,
so we thought,
who isn't, right?
Who isn't? So might as well end the day with some Godiva chocolates. Of course, you can eat chocolates all throughout the day as well, if you
right.
wish.
I like your thinking.
I like what you definitely like your
this.
thinking.
And so all of this can be found on our website, thestylethatbindsus.com, on the latest section. So we will have a post about the Unplugged segment.
Oh,
so you
great.
can get all of that there. And also in the shop section, we're going to have a Mother's Day gift guide for the pieces that we couldn't cover today.
So
Right.
what are you guys wearing today? Because
It's-
again,
it's amazing.
so
Beautiful.
bright, so colorful, perfect for TV. We should have done this.
Yeah, we should have. I should have done my
You're wearing
homework.
yellow
Yeah,
next
I know.
time.
I'm wearing yellow, of course.
Is this also on your website? Can we find that there? Like, talk a little bit about this.
Yes, definitely. So the clothes that we're wearing today, thank you, Cynthia Rowley, for offering for us to wear them. And this color in particular is going to be a huge color for spring and fall. It's kind of the mustardy, sunshiny yellow that brightens up anybody's complexion.
So
yeah,
quickly, the
this is
style
just-
that binds us, how did it come up really quickly, the idea of it, and where's it headed? Where we
Delia,
go-
you wanna
go ahead.
tell?
Go ahead,
Sure,
Delia.
so we're a mother-daughter duo,
Yes.
and she is a stylist based in Birmingham, Alabama, but has clients up and down the East Coast, all over, and I was on the buying team at Barney's. And so
Excellent.
we decided to come together and create a YouTube channel, podcast, website,
Wow.
all of these things. So
Is there any male products on your site at all?
sure, we will definitely get into that soon.
Eraldo feels left out. I'm just
I
trying
know.
to
I
help
know, and
him.
people ask this, and there's a lot of unisex things. These products
Yes.
are definitely that.
I'm gonna get him a bag.
Yeah, get him a bag.
The purple one is good.
Yes,
Yep.
the purple, the lavender one.
The lavender one.
for you. Or we could get it custom made with your picture on it.
Ladies,
Oh,
thank
yeah.
you.
Yes.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
guys
for
so
being
much
on the
for
show. It was
coming.
a pleasure
That's
having
fun.
you. We'll
Bright
see you
ray
real
of
soon.
sunshine. I love this.
Okay, guys, stick around. After the break, we have pop culture extraordinaire and podcast host Anthony Lario.
Stay with us. We'll be right back.